What's good, y'all? This is gonna be a quick update video, and I'm gonna let y'all know what the very, very magic molecule is to growing crops, growing vegetables. It's H2O, yo. It's water. I realize this because I mean, we all know that water is very important. It helps with so many things in the plant. I'm slacking on my biology knowledge. That's okay. But anyways, yeah, I just noticed that over the past few days, like 3 days, it's been raining consistently, like heavy rains every day. And so, like, my plants have just, like, pretty much shot up. And I noticed it's been a big difference. Y'all may not notice it, but I'm going to go ahead and switch this real quick. Yeah, and so, oh, update. I moved the bean plant over here, and just after the few days of raining, it started to flower. So that's been interesting. Carrots, getting a little growth. But the Brussels sprouts have like kind of boomed in growth. It's a lot of new growth on these. So is the broccoli, and then this kale is growing in size. I say like maybe somewhere between like 20 and 30%. These new shoots of kale are really growing up. The spinach is looking bigger too. Cabbage, it's taking its time, but the squash is really shot up. So this has just been after a few days of rain, which is kind of a little bad on my part, saying like maybe I haven't given my plants enough water. Yeah, I try to be conservative about the water that I give the plants, but at the same time, it's important to make sure that they have the adequate, resources that they need. So yeah, and it's a learning experience. So I'm gonna take y'all back here to the other plot of land. Oh, I haven't had any more raccoons come back to the compost pile, so that's good. And it's breaking down a little bit more. I haven't put any more like large plant items in there, just to try to keep those pests down. These chipmunks are still wreaking havoc. They running away every time I come outside, so I know they're up to something. But as we move over here, yes, we see that the zucchini is flowering. This is just like all within the past 3 days, y'all. All right, we're getting flowers. I had a stick propping this up, kind of fell off. But it still seems to be doing this thing, so I'm not mad at that. But yeah, we got some flowers. We got some new buds coming up, so that's pretty dope. Yeah, we gonna see what happens with these bunch of onions right here. We really gonna see. I'm interested. The cabbage seems to be holding on. Wasn't looking too hot, but I guess with the rain, it just really boosted its vigor. And so what I want to do with these eggplant, I'm probably going to replant at least one or two of these up there in the other plot, where the other squash seeds didn't come up, and just see how they do over there. But yeah, like I said, this is just a quick update. That magic molecule is H2O, water. So water your plants, be generous, and yeah, take advantage of the rain too. But yeah, just a quick update. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.